So, today we're going to look at another older sentence, which is, in this case, there was nothing of that sort. Anjo haro nisabi je and jorsashen. Although in East Perthshire, the informant that I follow would have probably said yeah and zorstshen, yeah and zorstshen. So I'm just going to use that if that's okay. So in this case, there was no plug of that sort. Anjo haro plugsabi yen zorstshen. Anjo haro plugsabi yen zorstshen. In this case, there was no plugin or add-on of that sort. Anjo haro plugan sabi yen zorstshen. Anjo haro plugan sabi an zorstshen. Next one is a vent, a funnel, or a flue. Anjo haro nisabi, well, not nisabi, luya sabi yen zorstshen. Anjo haro luya sabi yen zorstshen. Socket. So in this case, there was no socket of that sort. Anjo haro sochgach sabi yen zorstshen. Anjo haro sochgach sabi yen zorstshen. Backpack or rucksack. Anjo haro poch drom sabi yen zorstshen. Anjo haro poch drom sabi yen zorstshen. Sliding door. Anjo haro doris speli sabi yen zorstshen. Anjo haro doris speli sabi yen zorstshen. Vacuum cleaner. Anjo haro glanada tsui sabi yen zorstshen. Anjo haro glanada tsui sabi yen zorstshen. Strawberries. There were no strawberries of that kind, I guess. So anjo haro suan lar yen zorstshen, maybe. So there were no strawberries of that kind. Anjo haro suan lar yen zorstshen. Light bulb. There was not any light bulb of that kind. Anjo haro bolgan sabi yen zorstshen. Anjo haro bolgan sabi yen zorstshen. Concrete. Anjo haro konkrach sabi yen zorstshen. Anjo haro konkrach sabi yen zorstshen. Garlic, which I think is like kneel. So anjo haro kneel sabi yen zorstshen. Anjo haro kneel sabi yen zorstshen. And keyboard mer flar, I think. So anjo haro mer flar sabi yen zorstshen. Anjo haro mer flar sabi yen zorstshen. So the next one I've kind of made up, and it is, are you for real? Are you serious? Really? That sort of question. And then afterwards it is saying, it was a something. So, andarir or nandariru, ambe something fun. So, are you serious? It was a something that it was. So, for example, are you serious? It was a plug. Nandariru. Ambe plugvan. Nandariru. Ambe plugvan. Are you serious? It was a plugin. Nandariru. Ambe pluganvan. Nandariru. Ambe pluganvan. A vent. So nandariru. Ambe luyervan. Nandariru. Ambe luyar fun. Are you serious? It was a socket. Nandariru ambe sochgach fun. Nandariru ambe sochgach fun. Are you serious? It was a backpack. Nandariru ambe poch dromvan. Nandariru ambe poch dromvan. Let's see. Are you serious? It was a sliding door. Nandariru ambe dorspelivan. Nandariru ambe dorspelivan. Are you serious? It was a vacuum. Nandariru ambe glanadad sui van. Nandariru ambe glanadad sui van. I think this breaks down to nan dadiru. So dadiru is kind of like serious, truly. And then nun is like for emphasis. That gets used quite a lot. And then it's also a question. So you'd say son, something, something to emphasize something, because often they don't just use higher tones or whatever for emphasis in Gaelic. So they would say son, something, something, something to emphasize it. And when you want to make it a question, you'd say none, none, none. And then you're emphasizing the serious or really. So it's nandariru, nandariru, nandariru. And then ambe is our question, which is, and then like the question word and then bu, which is was, so was question, and then which is it, so it becomes ambe, so ambe something something van, which is the past form of share something something hun or hanum, etc., which is to say that something is a something or something, I am a something. So, are you serious? It was a light bulb. Nandariru ambe boligan van. Nandariru ambe boligan van. Are you serious? It was concrete. Nandariru ambe konkrach van. Nandariru ambe konkrach van. I do believe that the un at the end would probably change to be feminine if the noun is feminine. So I might have missed a couple of feminine ones here, but if I have, I apologize. Nandariru ambe konkrach van. Are you serious? It was garlic. Nandariru ambe kreilvan. Nandariru ambe kreilvan. And then finally, are you serious? It was a keyboard. Nandariru ambe mer chlaran. Nandariru ambe mer chlarvan.